Alright, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So, long in the tooth. Getting old. Yes, she is getting old in the tooth. She is getting long in the tooth. Yeah, definitely look at that. Old, getting old. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. He is getting long in the tooth. Yes, he is getting long in the tooth as he has seen a lot of the world over the years. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. By getting long in the tooth, it shows you're experienced and wise. You see, when people start to get long in the tooth, they are smarter, and wiser. They can do and achieve more things. They can do and achieve more things. Yet, when people are long in the tooth, they can share their wisdom with you. Wisdom. They can teach you things. Teach you all sorts of amazing things. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, the older you get, the longer you are in the tooth. The older you get, the longer you are in the tooth. Makes sense. It is nature and biology. The older you are, the longer you are in the tooth, yet the wiser you are overall. Yes. The smarter and wiser you are. How cool is that? Yeah, but you see, getting long in the tooth will happen to us all. It is natural. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use long in the tooth in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.